One thing I also wanted to add is humor important to you?
Yeah, of course, it's a devil's music.
Jesus Christ, superstar.
Balance. And sometimes balance. And sometimes balance. And you gotta respect the heights. Because if you don't, you fall.
Living on the edge. Living on the edge.
I'm not sure I understand.
Living on the edge.
How to swing, you know? Swing of the axe. Yeah. Swing of the axe. You have to feel that. You know? The swing.
And the twist. Gotta do the twist.